What if the next big tech breakthrough didn't live in your phone? What if it didn't sit quietly in the cloud? What if it stood up, walked into the room, and got to work? Meet Figure 03, a humanoid robot built to work side by side with humans. And by the end of this video, you'll see why this robot could change how work gets done forever. For decades, humanoid robots felt like pure science fiction. They appeared in movies, documentaries, and futuristic presentations. They looked impressive on brightly lit stages. They made headlines and viral clips. But once the cameras stopped rolling, reality set in. Most robots struggled outside controlled environments. Their movements were slow and awkward. Their abilities were extremely limited, and almost all of them were stuck inside research labs. There was endless hype, but very little real-world impact. Figure 03 was built to break that cycle. From day one, it was designed for real environments. Not clean labs, not carefully scripted demos, but busy, unpredictable workplaces, places with moving people, constant noise. Figure 03 stands at roughly human height. It walks with balance, stability, and confidence. Its movements are smooth, controlled, and intentional. But what truly sets it apart is not how it looks. It is how naturally it can learn, adapt, and improve over time. Most robots today are trapped doing one job forever. Pick an item, place an item. They rely on rigid programming. If anything changes, they fail. Figure 03 was built with a completely different philosophy. Flexibility matters more than repetition. Figure 03 can see its surroundings in real time. It understands instructions given in normal human language. It processes what is happening around it moment by moment. And it decides what to do next, without following a fixed script. If an object is moved, Figure 03 adjusts. If a task fails, it does not freeze or shut down. It analyzes the mistake. It tries again with a smarter approach. Instead of restarting, it improves. That makes Figure 03 feel less like a machine, and more like a coworker that learns while working. Inside Figure 03 is a powerful AI system running in real time. This system combines vision, language understanding, and motion planning. The robot recognizes objects instantly. It understands where people are located, and it knows how to move safely around them. Ask Figure 03 to move boxes, and it plans the task step by step. It checks the size of the object. It estimates the weight. It considers balance, grip, and safety. It chooses the most efficient path. If something unexpected happens, it adapts instantly. Each completed task improves future performance. Fewer mistakes, smoother movements, faster decisions, more confidence with every action. Learning does not stop after installation. It does not stop after training. That constant improvement is what makes it truly powerful. Figure 03 was designed for real jobs, not just experiments. Warehouses are an obvious starting point. It can lift heavy items, carry packages, sort inventory, and organize shelves. Factories are another major focus. Figure 03 can assist with assembly tasks. It can perform quality inspections. It can move materials between stations. Companies struggling with labor shortages are paying close attention. In the future, Figure 03 could also support hospitals. It could transport equipment, deliver supplies, and handle physically demanding tasks. It could work in dangerous environments. Extreme heat, hazardous materials. Anywhere humans work, Figure 03 is designed to fit in and help. Humanoid robots have been promised for generations, but until now, the technology simply wasn't ready. AI systems were not intelligent enough, hardware was unreliable, sensors were inaccurate, and costs were too high. That is finally changing. Modern AI models are dramatically more capable. Motors and sensors are far more precise. Battery technology is improving, and production costs are falling. Figure 03 arrives at the perfect moment. That is why investors in major tech companies are watching closely. A robot that can learn while working could redefine productivity. It could reduce workplace injuries, fill critical labor gaps, and completely reshape how businesses think about automation. With powerful technology comes serious questions. What jobs will robots replace? Which roles will disappear? And which new jobs will be created? How do we protect human workers? Who is responsible if a robot makes a mistake? Figure 03 operates under strict safety systems. It works with human oversight. It is designed to avoid dangerous behavior. It follows safety rules at all times. But as robots become more capable, these concerns will only grow. Society will need new laws, new training programs, and new ways for humans and machines to work together. Figure 03 is not just another robot. It is a preview of a world where humanoid machines are part of everyday work. Not science fiction, not hype, real robots doing real jobs. Whether that excites you or worries you, one thing is clear. The future of work is arriving fast. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about China humanoid AI robot called WOW. This is Artificial Adamana, where imagination meets intelligence.